Are you looking for delicious recipes that fit your keto diet? Look no further. We've got a variety of mouthwatering dishes that are low in carbs and high in flavor. For a satisfying breakfast, try our keto-friendly blueberry almond smoothie. Packed with protein and healthy fats, it's the perfect way to start your day. If you're in the mood for something savory, our spinach and feta omelet is sure to hit the spot. When it comes to lunch and dinner, our keto recipes have you covered. Indulge in a juicy bacon-wrapped chicken breast or savor the flavors of our grilled salmon with avocado salsa. And don't forget about our creamy cauliflower mash, the perfect low-carb substitute for mashed potatoes. Craving something sweet? Our keto chocolate avocado mousse is a guilt-free dessert that will satisfy your sugar cravings without derailing your diet. With our collection of keto diet recipes, you'll never have to sacrifice taste for your health. So go ahead, give them a try, and enjoy delicious meals while staying on track with your keto lifestyle.